Everybody's talking about how do you learn Spanish the best way, and we have lists of words, there's apps, you can touch things, but truly, immersion is becoming really popular again. Immersion works if you have something to talk about and if everybody around you speaks the new language. If you don't, then you need something to talk about. So photos are a great way to learn, especially if you can look and see visually what you're saying here. We have el gato. We have the Spanish, the English, and the way it sounds, but you're listening and you look at it. El gato. You learn more words that are very familiar to you. El carro. El plato. You have to say later on, just at the very beginning, the very first sentence you can put together. I like or I don't like. Me gusta. Me gusta el plato. Me gusta el gato. Me gusta el carro. So even without me telling you that me gusta means I like, you're able to recognize the items. I'm saying those items one more time because you see it and you say it. You hear what I'm saying. You can always add the word no in front of it. I don't like. No me gusta el gato. No me gusta el plato. Or no me gusta el carro. This is called the series method. By looking at just a few words at a time, changing out one word at a time, then everybody becomes more comfortable saying those words. Later on, we can add in verbs. Here's me gusta limpiar. I like to clean. Isn't that a great sentence? Me gusta limpiar. Oh, look. Me gusta limpiar el carro. Me gusta limpiar el plato. And then do you remember this one? That would not be a good idea, but you could say, no me gusta limpiar el gato. As they get more and more words, we can say things like, I want to. Quiero limpiar. I want to clean. No quiero limpiar. And then again, you can add in el gato, el plato, el carro. Nice and simple. See it and say it. Don't worry about immersion. Don't worry about apps. Get some hands-on practice, one card at a time, and build your sentences the simple way, the way you learned your first language.